Hello, it's Elena Gordon with Gordon Group Real Estate Team, and today I'm doing open house on one of our listings, 189 Warwick Crescent in Newmarket. This house is just 4 days on the market. We had over 39 appointments booked. Open house today was very busy. It shows that market is picking up even here in Newmarket. According to the Toronto Real Estate Board, average selling price for January 2020 is up by 15.4% to compare to January 2019. It shows that market is picking up. If you have any question about selling or buying, please call 647-400-9603. This was Helena with Gordon Group.